back with the Reno arch unit repair. We're going to hook it up to the manifold. We're going to bring this. I should have done that first, but here we are. Whoop, got to open blow hose. Somewhere in there. Okay, now we're going to heat the top of this piece of tubulation here. We're going to bring it to that piece I just bent over, hook it up, weld it on. Okay, so it's falling, it's hot enough. I stretch it, and I bring it over and make it match. And I want this piece to be lower than the piece I'm hooking up to, so you can make adjustments. As soon as you put it together, you got to blow. I was blowing when I put it together when it was really hot. There we go. All right, we got her. And we're going to hook up. This is 25,000 volts from 0 to 1,000 milliamps. And I usually use it in the range of 5 to 800 milliamp. Get things good and hot. This is phone book paper, and as you can see, it's scorched. We're going to scorch it, make sure that the tube is hot enough, and these electrodes will be cherry red. I'm going to fire up the pump, close this secondary valve. There's the pump on. Going to close the blow hose. I'm going to open this gauge, the butylphthalate. Open the secondary valve for the main vacuum, secondary vacuum, and pull a vacuum on the tube. The oil is pulling down. I should redo that. I'm going to put the camera over here. Skip that one. People need to see this oil. Okay, so I'm going to put air back in the system through the blow hose, gently at first, and the pressure's going up. Okay, so I put air back in the system. So I'm going to pull that down so the oil goes all the way to the bottom and it boils, bubbles. It's pulling all the air out of the system. So now what we're going to do is we're going to close the blow hose and we're going to open this secondary, and it's going to rise. And that's pulling a vacuum on the tube out that we just welded on. Okay, so we've still got a little moisture. The butylphthalate gauge went up in a hurry. It doesn't usually go up that high, that quick. So we still got a little moisture in there is what's making that. It's expanding. That oil is feeling that expansion and going up the gauge. So we're just heating it up a little bit and shutting the valve, or open the valve and let it pull. Then shut the valve, and it's going a lot slower now. I'm going to do it one more time here. Then I'm going to backfill with natural gas. So you're going to see right now, watch the gauge. Oop, is there a hole? It's rising. See the oil rising? I'm not doing nothing, so there must be a hole. So this is a spark coil. Okay. What this does, it's a Tesla coil, and what this does is if there's a hole, it jumps in it because it's under a vacuum. There's the hole. Hope that video can see that. Let's bring it over here. It's going to jump in the hole. See that? So that means I have to take it all off of there and heat that up slowly again and fix it. I wish I would have got it the first time.